Do you want a house? I got one. Do you want a front porch? I got one of those. How about an office? I got one of those too. And a formal dining room? Got one of those too. How about a big living room? Yep, that too. What about a giant kitchen with tons of counter space? And an island? And a breakfast area? Yep, that too. How about a landing at the top of the stairs? Yep, that too. 4 bedrooms and a giant master? Yeah, it's got that too. How about a shower? And a tub? You got it. It's got that too. Big walk-in closet? Yep, that too. What about a large laundry room downstairs? Yep, that too. What about a large 2-car garage with shelving already installed? That too. Big backyard? Patio? Yep, that too.